Is your child terrified of making mistakes? Hi, Big Life Journal family, it's Alexandra. I'm the founder. Here's my weekly growth mindset parenting tip. Some children are terrified of making mistakes to the point that they don't want to do simple things like pouring milk into their cereal. They're afraid they're going to spill the milk. So how do you help a child like that? Here's a simple strategy to try. Have your child make mistakes on purpose. Have them drop a cup of paint on the floor, spill water on the table, squeeze toothpaste on the counter, color outside the lines. So help them make mistakes on purpose. And when they do that, ask them to close their eyes, and you can close your eyes together with them and ask them to wait for something to happen. And in a minute or two, you open your eyes and you can say, it looks like nothing bad happened after we spilled that water. What do you think? Do you want to clean up together? So you want to make a point for a child that when they make simple mistakes, nothing bad actually happens. The world doesn't crash. They're still okay. They're still loved. I also suggest throwing a mistake party for your child. So once they reach 10 to 20 mistakes, you can agree on the number, throw them a party and celebrate. And during the party, you can make a sign together with a spelling error. You can wear your shirts backwards. You can eat dessert before dinner. So all these fun things. So make mistakes fun for them, simple and fun. I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think and if you're going to try any of these strategies, and I will see you back here next week.